Hey guys, what's up?
Welcome to the Habib University New Student Orientation 2020. We are going to walk you through day 2,
Day 3
day 4.
and day 5.
So let's see what the highlight of these days were.
So let's go!
What's happening right now? What's going on? Well, let's see.
The students are in their first session of the day with their OLs.
But considering the fact that इस बार सारे OLs online हैं, so let's see how the OLs are doing it if they're having fun in their sessions.
So right now the batch of 2024 is in a session about diversity and inclusivity. It's again one of those really serious topics but important as well.
Yeah, Habib is a community where we focus a lot on, we put a huge emphasis on accepting the diversity that is present. सब लोग different social, cultural, religious background से आते हैं, but Habib is a place जहाँ पे ये सारी diverse communities आके they become one big unit of a student body, and we put a huge emphasis on it so that we accept everyone how they are and don't judge.
The whole community that we have here at Habib is built on the idea of inclusivity, where no matter how much someone is different from you in whatever aspects, they feel included.
So we're having a community building session on safe spaces right now, and I feel like the point of orientation is not only to have fun, but it's also very essential that you get to know the people around, the values that this place has, and it's very important that you as an individual feel safe and comfortable in a space for you to be a part of it.
कैलकुलस इसका तो मैं चैंपियन हूँ, मैं आपकी हेल्प कर दूंगा, इंडिविजुअल अटेंशन दे दूंगा मैं.
My friends can help me.
How does a volcano say I love you to another volcano?
I love you. What is the square root of 169?
कैसे हुआ तू इतना ज़रूरी?
So right now the class of 2024 is in a session with the president of the university, Mr. Wasif Rizvi.
I think the session with the president is one of the highlights of the whole week, because जब नया बैच आता है, they actually get to interact with the president, they get to meet him, they get to share his idea, his vision behind the university, generally ask questions about his philosophy, his vision, what they are confused about, what they don't understand about the ideas.
It's a very nice way of reassuring the students, like the incoming students, of like the decision that they've made, because I remember I was very confused about whether I've made the right decision of joining the university or not. But like after that session I was like, अच्छा नहीं सही है, like I think I'm in the right place.
Okay, so let's ask 2024 what the difference is between learning it online and learning it on campus, because ये 2 दिन से orientation online दे रहे हैं और आज ये लोग campus में मौजूद हैं. So please tell us your opinion.
I would say it's more interactive, and the OLs were helpful online, but they are like engaging more and more.
We get to know everyone in person. That's the good part about it, and we get to explore the campus as well.
On campus का मजा ही अलग है.
All these activities, I actually enjoyed like talking to the OLs and getting to know them and fellow batchmates of mine.
And we're gonna play a quick rapid fire round. Habib का mascot क्या है?
Lion.
Lion. Habib के official colors क्या हैं?
Purple, red, Blue, yellow, purple, and green, I guess.
It's purple and
Purple.
yellow. What's the difference that you noticed? कि online तुम लोगों ने 2 दिन लिया, and today you guys are on
Interaction
campus.
with actual human beings is personal.
Are you guys comfortable with your groups as well?
हर कोई बहुत अच्छा है हमारे OL ग्रुप के अंदर, सब अच्छा है। और हमारे लीडर्स वो बेस्ट हैं।
आज आखिरी दिन है तो सब बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं बच्चों का नहीं पता but the OLs are extremely excited so let's just go and ask the OLs what they're feeling today.
Anam, are you excited?
Yes!
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 I am. It's the last day. हमारी OL session शुरू होने वाला है. Last time to meet my OL kids together. Super excited. I am very excited. Can't you see my face?
That was the end of day 5 and the end of the orientation week.
Yeah, we did some really cool activities with them, really fun activities.
And the OLs, the kids, everyone was hyped today.
I hope you guys had as much fun as we did.